Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a chatbot in Thunkable. First, open Thunkable and start a new project. Design your user interface by dragging and dropping components. You will need a text input component for users to type their questions and a label component to display the chatbot's replies. Arrange these elements neatly on your screen, perhaps with the input at the bottom and the display area above it, ensuring a clean and functional design. Next, navigate to the blocks editor to program your chatbot's intelligence. Here, you will use conditional logic, primarily if-then-else blocks, to process user input. For example, if a user types hello, the chatbot can respond with hi there. You will define many such conditions to cover a wide range of potential questions and statements, making your chatbot interactive and engaging for users. To enhance your chatbot, consider integrating advanced features. You could connect to external APIs for information retrieval, like weather data or news updates. Adding speech-to-text allows users to speak their queries, and text-to-speech enables the chatbot to vocalize its responses. You might also implement a simple system to store the last 5 or 10 messages, providing context for ongoing conversations and improving user experience. Finally, it is crucial to thoroughly test your chatbot. Interact with it extensively, trying out all the different phrases and questions you have programmed. Use the Thunkable Live Test feature to preview your application on a mobile device or directly in a web browser. Once you are satisfied with its performance, you can share your innovative chatbot with friends, family, or even publish it for a wider audience to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.